Hi everyone, welcome to our channel CHINNADEVTECH. Last session, develop the user entity class. Today's session, we develop the DTO class. User entity class fields don't expose with the end user by using DTO. DTO to show the only basic fields. Write the DTO class. User DTO. User DTO class. Write the user fields. Private long private long ID. This fields only show in the end user to avoid the our original code. Write the next field private string first name. Private string email. Write the one validations or not blank. First name is required. It will show the mandatory write the first name. The mention the size of the field for max 50 characters. Same as write in last name field also. Mandatory write the last name also. Size is max 50. These are the validations. Okay, next. Write the email, not blank. Not blank. Sorry. The message email is required. Email is required. Next. Email, then after mobile number. Private string phone number. Not blank. These are the validations for the fields. Each field write the validation. This is the production ready. Industry standard. Phone number is required. Phone number required. Phone number is required. Phone number is required. Phone number pattern for the phone number. Write the pattern with the regular expression. Write the symbols. Then after local braces, write 10 digits with the dollar symbol from that's it. The message. Avoid this pattern. Provide the message. Invalid phone number. Invalid phone number. That's it for the mobile number. Next, password. Private string password. That right password not blank. Say password is required. Password is required. Provide the size. Size for the password. Minimum 6. At least write the 6 characters or numbers. Provide the message for the password. If you write the invalid password must be at least 6 characters. Next role for the user private string role resting role where the not blank so that the message role is required. Role is required. That's it. Next status. Status. The validations. The validation. Write the message for the status. Status is required. Status is required. Status is required. Next, void local data local data type created it private local data type updated it private local data type lost login lost login. Provide the Lombok dependency feeds. Provide the data comes from the Lombok data. Nor with constructor. Your constructor builder constructor. These annotations came from the Lombok dependency. Avoid the duplicate code by using this Lombok dependency. Lombok annotations. We want to full quality. Our channel have already explained in the Lombok. Please check it out. These are the user entity class. user ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, password, role, status, created it to updated last login. To expose only these fields in the end user, the entity class. These fields hide in the our business logic code in the entity class. Here are the DTO class. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Please share, like, comment. Thank you for watching.